Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Andy Pressure Washing Services. I'm in my bathroom right now. I am getting ready to go to a job because a customer called me not the last minute, because that's what I want. Keep calling, keep email, sending emails and phone calls, text messages. That's what I need. Actually, I'm not complaining, but I'm in my bathroom right now to go. So I will see you in a few minutes, guys. Okay, stay tuned. Good morning, everyone. Today we have a job to do, and I'm on my way right now. It's a customer that went online on Google. They just Googled, pressure washing, nearby, and my name popped up. Andy Pressure Washing was one of the list. So he called me and he told me what he needed to do. So he needed like a soft wash, a whole house, gutter cleaning, and so there's a driveway. With the driveway, so there's a big dumpster on the driveway. So I don't think I will be able to do it today. So I'm gonna have to reschedule because I think he's moving from Florida to New Hampshire. So that's what's gonna happen today. Just the whole house minus the driveway. The driveway, I don't really like to disclose the price of my job because it's personal, but I'm gonna tell you this time. So the driveway, it's a big driveway, not too big. It's like six. You can park 6 cars. So I charge $300, but I can't do it today. So he says he's gonna have to reschedule me for it, either the end of this week or next week. Sorry, I'm driving at the same time. Yeah. So stay tuned, and I will see you in a few minutes. Good morning, everyone. Here on the job, and we are going to start. As you can see, so that's the driveway that I'm supposed to clean, but the fact this big dumpster, you see, I can't just do half of the driveway and leave the rest. So there it is. So that's the house. So we're gonna do the whole thing. As you can see, this place, it needs some love, and this is when Andy Pressure Washing comes to spread the love. You see, all the green algae. So yeah, it's all over the house. But I'm gonna do this sidewalk, so it's going to be clean. It's going to be clean. Let me go around. I think the neighbor, not the neighbor, the owner is up yet. So we'll see. So we are doing the whole house. Look at that. Look at that. This is going to be a beautiful before and after picture. So yes, this little, I don't know if it's a sidewalk or a back patio, concrete. So you see, and the whole wall, the house, the whole place need. Oh, by the way, today I have a helper. That's my homeboy Lamar. Sometimes he always help the business by coming a look at that. Good morning, everyone. We are going to I just got from the gym, and I'm on my way to get me some breakfast, and after that I'm going to the store, get me some SH. I have soap already, and I'm heading to a job. It's a small job. It's not small. It's a simple job. It's a driveway. It's filthy. Dirty. And I know this might sound funny and weird. I like when they're dirty. The dirtier the better. And I'm going to take before, after pictures and a small video, so you guys can see like the whole process. Nothing fancy, just keep it simple. And yep, so far I got only one job for today. So I'm just gonna wait till I have some new customers, because I have paid for Google ads, and I'm waiting to see what's gonna happen, if I'm gonna how many customers I'm gonna get, or how many clicks I'm gonna get. So we'll see. Okay, and I will keep you guys posted and updated on the process. Stay tuned. Again, thank you for stopping by. Like, subscribe, comment, everything, please. Thank you. So we are going to start. So we're going to pre-treat the concrete. I want you guys to stick with me to see the whole process. Hello, YouTube fans. We finished the job, but something happened. After I pre-treat the concrete, I put let it sit for, marinate for like 15-20 minutes. And I grab like usual, every driveway I always use my surface cleaner, because like using the one, it's too much work. That's why I have a 20-inch surface cleaner, not too big, not too small, just enough to like to do like a average 6-car garage, or a big driveway. What happened is, let me show you. Let's see if I can show you. Give me 1 second. Okay, let's see if I can just get it. Okay. This part from the surface cleaner, as you can see, it's behind me. So whenever I try to connect it, yes, it connected, but the water is coming from this part, behind here, and the front up here. So it's like, okay, I was like, let me try a different method. So I switched to a different tip, not this one, a ball valve. That's not the problem. That's the main problem. So what I'm gonna do, I think I have one at the house. So when I get home, I'm going to change. Pretty much like this is trash. I thought like those little bead inside was missing. None of them were missing. All of them were, yeah, they're accounted for. But anyway, so the point is, the driveway took me almost 2 freaking hours. Something that could have done like in 45 minutes, like that. Less than 45 minutes, 30 minutes, because with my source cleaner, it's a small driver. It's like maybe like can hold like 6 cars, three on each side. Yeah, a small driveway, almost 2 hours. But the driveway is not. It's not the problem. The problem is like last week when I was here. So last week I did a self wash for the house. Gutter cleaning, everything. I did it, and I used the surface cleaner. It was okay. It was fine. I was like, what's the problem? But hey, it happens. Anyway, I will be posting the before and after and during the process. What else? Yep, that's it. Subscribe, like, and comment. And also, I need some ideas, guys. If you have any tips and how to do the job the best way possible, the easiest way possible, let me know, please. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Andy with ND Pressure Washing Services. Now.